Well, good evening, my beauties, and how are you tonight? It seems like just yesterday that I already opened one of these, but once again, I have another Birchbox. Yeah, I feel like I just opened a Birchbox. Why don't we get started? All right. I already got our little thingy open here because we know that that's always a pain in the patootie. So let's see where we go here. And once again, a box in a box, which I absolutely love because it's another box for me to keep makeup and stuff in. And this is what the box looks like. Isn't that neat? I love all these different colors. Looks like a watermelon. What do you think? It is summer, so. And I had watermelon yesterday. Love it. Let's see what's in this little box that I will then use to put other things in. Very useful and recyclable. Good for the earth. Okay, so let's see what is in the box. The first thing we have is it says, summer is here. Check it out. And judging by the weather we've had here, the past few days, it was hotter and more humid here in the Northeast than it was in Florida. Yeah, I hate it when it gets like that because it's like, if I wanted this kind of heat, I'd move to Florida. Actually, I'd move to South Carolina because I like it better there. We always seem to have a couple of major heat waves every summer. They just seem to be getting more intense and sometimes a little bit longer. But I didn't come here to talk about the weather, did I? Okay, so how is everybody today? It is summer. Summertime is here. Yep. And we have, shows what few little items we have in here, which we will look at as we go. And then we got pretty yellow paper in there. This is great. Okay. So we got 5 products. And as it always is with Birchbox, it's mostly trial sizes, sample sizes, that kind of thing. But you get, sometimes you'll get full size, but they're all small, which is fine. It's not expensive. It's dealable. Usually they have some pretty good things. They tend to go along with what your beauty profile says. So why don't we get started, see what the first product is. And the first product I pull out here says, what does it say? Georgette Klinger Argan Oil Cleansing Gel. I like argan oil. Argan oil is very good. It's very good for the hair. And I tend to be a bit obsessed with hair care. I used some products I got the other day, and I love the way my hair came out. But one thing I definitely found out that there are 2 things. Argan oil is wonderful for your hair, and tea tree oil. That's another thing. That one's good for your skin too. Okay, so we've got, this is our, let's see what the little card says about it. Argan Oil Cleansing Gel. This is a trial size. The full size is $24. This cleanser uses powerful botanicals and purifying cleansing oils to deeply cleanse and leave skin feeling soft, supple, and balanced. Sounds nice. I'm going to try this tonight. I like that. That's nice. Okay, our next little tiny product here. It's Aero Radiant Skin Moisturizer. It's purple. I do have one of these from another unboxing, probably from an earlier Birchbox, but since they're small, that's okay. It's almost like, here you go, here's another one. And this one says Aero Radiant Skin Moisturizer. The full size is $24. This lightweight moisturizer has a subtle sheen to illuminate your skin and hyaluronic acid. That is good. And aloe to hydrate and soothe. Use in the morning alone or under makeup. Good stuff. Good stuff. I wish I had the full size. But since I have another one in there, it'll last a few mornings, probably 4. That's it. Okay, the next item that we have here is Jecca Blac Glow Drops, vegan friendly, rose pearl. Okay. And that's what this looks like right here. Right there. And it is highlighting primer for the face. Alrighty. This says Jecca Blac Glow Drops. Rose Pearl. Sounds nice. Full size is $20. This illuminating primer is perfect for using under foundation or alone to help your makeup last longer and give you a lit from within dewy feel. A lit from within dewy feel. That sentence just sounds wrong. Professional writer in that sentence just sounds wrong to my ears. Give you a lit from within dewy feel. Okay, I think I know what they're trying to say, but how about a lit from within and a dewy feel? Okay, we're not here for English lessons, although I could definitely teach them. All right, glow drops. That's interesting. The next product that we have here, oh, it's a hair product, and it says Bumble and Bumble. And this is what it looks like. See, Bumble and Bumble. And if you're as old as I am and you've seen Rudolph, Bumbles bounce. Bumble and Bumble, Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Protective Primer. Leave-in treatment defrizzes. My hair needs that. Detangles and protects, leaving hair hydrated and smooth. Applied to clean, damp hair, then style as usual. That is wonderful. And the full size is $28. There's a keeper. Okay, and the last product in here, one more thing. In a very interesting looking tube. I like that color. What do you think of that color, huh? Sand and Sky, Australian Emu Apple. I mean, emu like the bird. Interesting. Okay, so Sand and Sky, Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask. I like masks. Full size is $61.90. This antioxidant-rich mask brightens and protects skin from dullness and pollution. Spread a thick layer onto skin and leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Argan Oil. We've got some good products for Radiant Skin Moisturizer. Glow drops. We've got a lot of glowy things. And, you know, of course, our mask from Australia. Bumble and Bumble, Bumble's Bounce. B6. Hairdresser Invisible Oil. It's invisible. How are you supposed to know that it's on you? Guess you have. And that is it. That is this month's Birchbox. Birchbox. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel, and we will keep on going with all kinds of interesting boxes and unboxes, and I've got some mystery boxes coming and some hauls and all kinds of fun stuff. So I want you to have a wonderful evening. It's a beautiful evening tonight. After all this heat wave that we had is finally cooled off. Very much for being here and for watching, and stay beautiful.